again, cause I got a package. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm sorry I'm being ratchet, y'all. I had to come in the house to wrap my hair. I'm going to do another YouTube video because I received my package today, my second package from Crayon Case. My son says hi. Hi, baby. So, I'm going to start off by opening. Oh! Okay, then. So, I open it and it's just big old black Crayon Case sign. I love it because that's the first thing I seen and it was just like, voila. So after opening it, it does have some tissue paper that has the Crayon Case on it. That was nice. I have another thank you card with Super. Now let's get to opening. So, what did I purchase? I purchased the 2 brow brushes that comes with the pomade brush with the spoolie. And it actually came with 2 of them. So that's pretty dope. It has, let me see a bit of focus for you guys. My light is kind of bright. It has the Crayon Case on it. So this part I will use for my pomade and then this is to spray my brows. So it came with 2 of them. So that's pretty dope. It came with plastic over it. I can get this back in here now. So once I get this back in the plastic, I'll show y'all what else I got. Pretty excited. I could throw this over here, can't I? Then I got some pomade in the shade dark brown. I already had some pomade, but I got that from the hair store and I'm pretty much trying to buy all her products. So this is the eyebrow pomade in the shade dark brown. I got me a Hall Pass lip gloss because I love lip gloss. Even though I have my own lip gloss line, I do like to try other people's lip gloss. But my lip gloss is for those who like moisture, non-thick shine. But I am going to try hers out and I will leave a review on how it feels. This is called the Private Party. That's pretty. Crayon Case. I want to smell it.
I want to smell it. It smells good. It smells like perfume.
It smells like perfume?
I want to smell it.
You want to smell it?
It smells good.
It smells good?
Yeah.
I can't put it on right now because of course I have lip gloss on, but this is pretty dope. I like this case. I like that it says the Crayon Case on it. So that's that. So far I opened up lip gloss, I opened up some pomade brushes, and then guess what else I got? Another palette. The Wash Me Blush palette. Everybody was using this first. Okay, why is my daughter pulling my stuff out of my box? I don't know. But at first I was thinking that this was for blush. And of course I don't want no green cheeks. So at first I didn't want to buy it. But then I seen Super, I'm sorry, my son just kicked my camera, do a video tutorial on it. And it's actually eyeshadow. So the Watch Me Blush. Woo, look at that, darling. Oh baby, this is like really gorgeous. It comes with a mirror and it has different colors. This outsider, cobbler, strawberry cream, tangerine, old banana, cranberry, cappuccino, berry, sweet tea, and hot cocoa. So y'all know I cannot wait to dip into this, but this is it, y'all. I love that it has a mirror on it because I love to shine and I love to look at myself, of course, after doing my eyeshadow. So I am going to touch this in the morning. I'm not going to do any videos on my daughter because it's a Monday and I have so much to do. But I am going to use this in the morning, so I will do a tutorial on this palette in the morning. So be prepared, be ready for it, you guys. But this palette is bomb. I like it. I want to do some swatches. Let me do some swatches, y'all. Hold on. So this is the cranberry. Ooh, that's the cranberry. That's the strawberry cream. Let me do this outsider. cookies is gonna pop, y'all. So the orange, old banana. Oh, let's see. Cappuccino. That's pretty much a nude color. Okay, we can't do cappuccino. Let's do cranberry. Oh, we already did cranberry, didn't we? Let me do tangerine. That's orange. I like this palette already. The sweet tea. Ooh, y'all, that's pretty. Cappuccino. I don't know if y'all can see it in my light. There we go. Hot cocoa. Ooh, y'all, that hot cocoa is bomb. And the berry. Ooh, the berry is like a purple. That's pretty. So, what colors do y'all want to see me use tomorrow? Because I am all for this palette. So this was my second box, you guys. I am going to order more. I still got to get the Crayon Case box of crayons palette. And then I want to get some more lipsticks. I don't really do lipsticks, but I seen she has some new lipsticks that I really, really want to try. I'm looking at my hand to the right, and it's like bomb. Y'all, look at that. I am going to look so cute tomorrow. So, anyways, I just wanted to go live. Wanted to show you guys this palette, this box, this everything. Everything was just so amazing. My lip gloss, gonna be popping. My brows, gonna be popping. You already know my eyes gotta pop. So just wait for this video tomorrow. I will go live. I will show you guys all this over YouTube. So thanks for watching. Continue to watch my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, comment below. If you do any of my looks, please comment pictures so I can see them because I want to see them. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Sidebar, this is the makeup from this morning at 5:30. My nose is still glowing, my eyebrows are still intact, and my cheeks are still blushed. If you have any comments, just leave them below on how I keep my makeup just so fresh all day.